So let's define the social battery. To understand it, think of one situation where you actually felt great among other people, as social settings where you felt good about yourself. To make it easy to remember such a situation, just think of one person. It might be a close friend, a close colleague, even your parent. And it might be a long time ago. Maybe when you were a child with your mom, you said something awesome and your mother thought you were great and she laughed at you. In that setting, you actually felt good about yourself. In that setting, you would say you had high social energy. Your social battery was charged. Second, think of a situation where you felt bad in social settings. Well, you're here for a reason, right? You can probably think of millions of times like that. In those situations, your battery was decharged. You had low social energy. So there are three things you should understand about this battery. So the first thing to realize is that your energy level is not constant. You might remember some party you went to, and in the beginning you actually felt great when you arrived. At that point, your energy level was high. That is, it was out here. Then later that evening, you felt horrible, most likely hopeless. At that point, your energy level was really low. You were decharged. The second thing to realize about these batteries is they come in different sizes. You might remember you came to a party and you felt just as great as somebody else. Then later that evening, you felt hopeless and he still felt good about himself. That is, his battery was not decharging as fast. His battery size was bigger than yours. And you're just decharging fast. Your battery is small. But don't worry about that. We're going to fix all these things. The third thing to understand about social battery is that introverts are often conceived as the person that decharge in social settings. And extroverts, they actually charge in social settings. That is, you see these extroverts, right? They're just having fun and they can just keep on going all night. And somehow, when you look at them, it seems like they're having more and more fun, right? They're recharging. Well, now we got a basic understanding of what a social battery is.